1.
Hey, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and be sure to learn together with us. Today we're going to learn about the car wiper and its switch. This is the wiper switch and it's found at the left side behind your car's steering wheel. Using the OK sign with your left palm, grip the wheel with your pointer finger and your thumb, then use the remaining fingers to operate the wiper switch. Let's take a look at the following different levels of the wiper and see how they should be used during the rain.
Mist. Off. Intermittent. Low. High.
Let's see how the levels are shifted using the switch. Shifting to mist level, simply push the switch upwards and hold until the wipers would have properly wiped the windshield. It has no locking point. For intermittent level, just push one step down. The wipers will wipe the windshield after about 3 seconds. For low speed level, just push the switch 2 steps down. The wipers will wipe the windshield continuously at a normal speed. For high speed level, just push the switch 3 steps down. The wipers will wipe the windshield continuously at a faster speed. For water pump level, just pull the switch in front and hold it until enough water is pumped on the windshield. Later, the wipers will wipe the applied water. You can use your preferred wiper levels to properly wipe the windshield. Hey, I hope you now have learned how to use the car wiper. Thanks for watching. Like and leave a comment. See you next time. Drive safe.